No, I think you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. I'll do all the talking, okay? Hey everybody, Dave and Riley here in the Gridopolis HQ. We first of all want to thank everybody for your support and patience. And now the good news, we were in production as of last week, July 10th. So we're looking at box arrival sometime late August, early September. Finally, we have a date and we want to thank you very much. To do that, we've got a surprise in every box. I'm not going to tell you what it is. We're going to just tease it for a while, but wanted to share the news right away. Also, if you go to the website at gridopolis.games, we have new stuff on the store. So we have t-shirts and Riley's favorite, mugs, where everything is more delicious. Thank you again, and we appreciate your patience. No, I think you did pretty good.